Alright, everybody, what's up? What was I gonna say? Alright, dudes, what's up? Another day, another new thing we're doing for the channel. If you guys like it and you guys subscribe to the channel, we may continue to do this. Today, you're watching Mashup Monday. Right, that's what we're deciding to call it. Yeah, that's what we're calling it. Okay, Mashup Mondays. You'll find out kind of what the video is about. Why is this green screen always making me mad? Always pissing me off. Oh, let's go. I don't know. We're gonna get creative. I've never had a creative thought in my body. Oh, it's autofocus? Oh, Ninja doesn't know how to use a camera. That's what happened. That work. Better? Yeah, you're...
I see it, the dinosaur!
No, you didn't.
I did.
It's not a dinosaur.
You didn't see it.
I did. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Peter Pan.
I'm not Peter Pan!
It's not. You just,
It's freaking...
it's
It's like...
It's Tool. It's called Tool.
What? This is called Tool?
T-U-L-L-E. Tool.
T-U-L-L-E? You're a tool. T-O-O-L. The purple ribbon.
Get that, this blue stuff right here.
No. Purple stuff. There we go. Yeah.
I can take the pink. What is that?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Turtles in a half shell, turtle power.
I'm on the beach.
Those turtle boys don't cut them no slack. I need like white paint on my eyes. Think you can do that? It looks weird without one. Actually, I can see through this. Make me angry turtle eyes. Where are you?
I'm
Give
right,
me.
I'm right
Oh, you
here.
can see.
Give me the blue. The blue one of this.
Nope.
This is ribbon.
Here.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
Can I
I don't know what I'm looking at.
It's just take that off.
Don't you just poke holes in the...
Ugh.
See? It's not one.
Now I'm ninja.
Hey, can I, be a Ninja Turtle?
Take this, turn around.
Mom, give my hand, I can't see.
Well, as horribly wrong as this could have gone, it's actually not going too badly.
Daddy,
That's my neck.
Because I have something to focus on.
I was just doing it for a little bit.
Tell me how to make a crown. Look at this.
Wow.
My crown's gonna be way better.
Ah, baby.
You're gonna have a great crown. You just wait.
Can I
I'm the king.
I got you some...
do beautiful?
Up top. Oh, you missed.
I can do better.
Oh, you missed.
Okay.
Down low. Oh, you missed.
Okay.
Over here. Oh, you missed. Here. Oh, you got it. Good job, Mark.
Daddy,
Here you go. That looks evil now.
I'm gonna be your evil king.
My evil kin. Happy birthday to me. To you. To me. What is it? Happy unbirthday?
No,
Have
happy
a
birthday.
very happy unbirthday.
Very merry
to me.
unbirthday.
To
No.
you?
Like on the
It's
top.
made of cardboard. Oh, because of my fluff balls?
Yeah.
Don't touch the case crap. I can't see anymore. I'm trying to put this on. I can't do it. Glitter me up, son. That sounded wrong. I feel like I've done a whole bunch. Look at me. Where are you guys at?
I'm right here.
Where's the other glue? Never mind.
I'm right here, Daddy.
Yeah. Let me see that other glue.
Word.
Daddy, I'm right
I feel like
here.
there's something more. Oh, I got an idea. I got a cool idea. You got a cool idea. You ready?
Yeah, me, Anya.
Watch
But-
this.
What? You can be the master.
Oh my god, it's epic.
Dad, what happened to your face?
I'm just kidding. I had this look like, is he gonna do it for real?
Don't eat paint. No.
I'm not eating it. Don't touch it. Come on, that's bad.
It'll make you sick.
I mean,
You look like you're on drugs.
Do I? Is it really that bad? No!
At least you're having fun, right?
No, I'm having fun. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
good.
Nice to meet you.
You are
Autobots. Roll up.
glitter.
I want different glitter. Paint me like one of your strippers. With the glitter. No, I want the other one. The silver one. I'm looking at it. No. Silver. In the same box. The glitter. The glitter. The glitter, weirdo. The same thing that you just picked up. Yes. That one. Give me that.
Come here, Anya.
What?
I have to put this on your head. I can see how big to make it. Turn around. No, turn this way. This way.
Look, you remember the orc from Lord of the Rings? That had the handprint on his face?
Kind of. I didn't watch Lord of the Rings, all of it. It was too long and boring.
Sean the non-believer. Where's your crown, babe?
I don't need a crown.
Why not?
I just don't.
Cause you're Princess Brad already? Woohoo! Got her! I'm going to be an orc on Lord of the Rings.
Pretty.
Give me all the trash. The streamers.
Dad.
This is not trash.
Oh.
This is mine.
Give me that little piece of cardboard right there, the red one. The red box.
Where?
I'm gonna keep this.
Put it on the kitchen table.
This is my warrior sign.
Get up now.